As first of all, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Taxmann Academy and the entire faculty and the staff to have designed this wonderful course. This course is so practically oriented, focused on real-time situations. So I, being an entrepreneur, found this course to be very, very useful, and I could get hang on the taxation and accounting aspects in my business, the technicalities, the nitty-gritties, and it has lot of ramifications on my business planning, budgeting, working capital management. And every faculty went way too deep, in depth, addressed all the intricacy, gave their heart and soul to teach us, train us, make sure that every student is on board understanding the concept. And it was more of like a private tuition. I mean, what a privilege. People here learn these concepts in CA classes, multiple students, hundreds of people, and here we were very select few. And the course, the book which is designed is so very good. Every screenshot is given, every topic is covered briefly, concisely, so that we can pick it up. It's not information too much overload. And every faculty, hats off. I take a bow, and I have joined the level 2, and I look forward to learn more. And I have, from my side, I have tried to do the self-study. I have completed income tax and GST, accounting basics, tally yet I am to do. Everyone, went out of the way. And to also want to thank all my co-participants. And in the end, I want to say, if I have offended unknowingly or knowingly, I apologize. I seek forgiveness. And my best wishes to all the faculty, to Taxmann Academy. And Taxmann will always remain a part in my life. Thank you so much.
This has been a fantastic course. It was impeccable. It was way beyond what I had expected. I'll be honest, being used to studying at universities for so long, where, professors, it's how they deal with adults, right? Terko padna hai to pad, varna, we'll teach you and leave. And after a very long time, I've been put back in a place where, we're doing assignments. I'm being made to practice, and that was, it was a very good way to pick up things. And I actually happened to register a new firm, and I registered my own GST after the class.
Amazing.
Yeah. So honestly, the depth of things, because I was always into finance and accounting automation, but I'd never looked at the technical concepts per se. And now picking that up has made my automation flows much more deeper for my clients. So they really appreciate that. Because when I used to talk about automation before, CAs used to complain. But now the depth that I show, they're like, oh, yeah, this is doable. Why should we not do it? Depth of each and every course, God. I have no words to, define that. And also the kind of energy that teachers brought to the class. And I must say, I can imagine how challenging it must have been for the teachers, with very low head count coming live. And, I fully understand, with half of us cameras turned off. It could be very challenging, and you guys pulled through, and it's a very commendable task that the faculty has done, which was as good as listening to a podcast, where you're actually getting a lot out of, the depth of the faculty. It was not just the sections that we were learning. We were talking about the loopholes. We were talking about the intricacies and nitty-gritties of that particular section in real use. So that made a massive difference. And also, I think not to forget, this is a very well thought out curriculum. It's so extremely well structured. I have 2 business degrees, and this course alone could have replaced at least 4 courses throughout semesters. Like, I've had financial accounting, which I failed 3 times, and it was that bad. And spending 1 semester in that course, I didn't learn anything. The depth that I learned with half the attendance that I learned here. So that is how well thought out the curriculum is, and that's how effective the imparting method is. It's been taught also very effectively.
Really, this course is very, very useful to me, ma'am. All the faculties, really, they taught us so well, and practical knowledge is, what they imparted is really, really no words to explain for me, ma'am. Because I have only a bookish knowledge. For past 20 years, I did not have any practical knowledge. Only now I'm entering into the industry. So learning this from my husband each and everything, whatever I learned, I come and discuss with him. He'll explain me, yes, we are good doing like this, we are doing like that. And one more thing, in GST and all, certain points we did not follow. So this course helped us a lot to follow that rules. Really, that was very, very helpful for us, ma'am, in our business.